Rising unemployment and a shortage of skills are problems not only in our industry but all industries across Southern Africa. A man who believes he has a workable solution to these problems is Stephen du Preez of AMP CNC Academy. We're here this morning at AMP CNC Academy in Brakpan on Gauteng's East Rand to have a chat to Stephen, as well as to his Mastercam training specialist, Ludovic Janse van Vieren. So Stephen, what prompted you to start this initiative?
So Lee, we are in the manufacturing industry, and I've been for years. I grew up in the industry, and having my own machine shop, I know what the challenges are with running a profitable machine shop, and our biggest challenge is to find the right people in order to assist us to build a team in order to be profitable. So throughout the past couple of years, we've had a massive staff retention problem, and it all comes down to education and training. So you'll get somebody that comes into your workspace and says, I need a job, here's my papers. So they've got a few certificates of CNC training that they've done, and for face value you say, okay, well, I'm going to give you a chance. And literally within the first week, there's a machine crash, downtime, things like this, where the people aren't educated in the right way. So this is what started off the AMP program, to basically explain to people what it is, how to do a proper job. When you start off with the machine, how to understand the dynamics of the machine, what happens when you crash the machine, and how to prevent that type of thing. And then alongside that comes the CAD training, Mastercam, SolidWorks, all those things that is advancements in our life currently in manufacturing, and we need that. And we need people to understand where the industry is moving towards. So our aim is not to train setters and programmers and operators. We want to integrate the whole thing so that one person is responsible for his own programming, for his own designing, for his own setting up of a machine, and machining up to the final part. And that is our aim, and that's our goal, is to promote manufacturing education from school level all the way up to people that's currently in jobs, and try and assist them to upskill themselves.
So now Ludovic has also joined the team, and Ludovic is a Mastercam training specialist. So Ludovic, tell us a little bit about your Mastercam background.
Yeah, Lee, I've been in the industry now for about the past 18 years.
Tell us a little bit about some of the courses that prospective students can expect here at AMP CNC Academy.
Yeah, Lee, what we're going to do is we're going to firstly start off with some crash courses in CNC industry for our industrial clients, people who's currently at a job that needs to uplift himself into a specialist position. We're going to do specialist programs like advanced CNC, 5-axis machining, 3D milling, 2D milling, advanced tool setups within the Mastercam program that's not currently addressed in the industry. And then we've got our intermediate courses that's going to be students that are studying mechanical engineering or industrial designing, who wants to educate himself in the manufacturing part of the business, not just drawing and dreaming of things and drawing it, going from, like Stephen said, from dreaming about it, designing it, programming it, put it on the machine and cutting it and stand with the final product in your hand. That's what we're aiming for.
I believe you guys have also got a 3.5-year learnership program that's going to be made available to some students.
That's correct, Lee. So the 3.5-year learnership program is an NQF5 full qualification for CNC production machinists. In this 3.5-year program, we're taking them from basics, NQF level 2, and we're working through the whole Masita curriculum. And then there's also added value, obviously, with the SolidWorks and the Mastercam that we are adding to it, as well as other fundamental stuff that has not really been involved in any program like this before, which is specialist courses, which we will eventually then also do shorter versions of that for people who's currently in the industry. So the 3.5-year program is basically taking somebody out of school, fresh out of school, and creating an opportunity for them to find work thereafter within the manufacturing sector.
Wow, this is all very exciting, guys. And I think for any prospective students out there who are interested in manufacturing, and specifically CNC manufacturing, have a look at AMP CNC Academy's website. Details to follow at the end of this video.